Today's video is the first cook on the Lumin electric outdoor grill, and I'll tell you what, we thought we would show you one of the best features it has. We're gonna grill and steam, get our entire meal completed at once. Our ingredients for today's cook, we're gonna start off with two 12-ounce ribeye steaks. I've got 3 heads of broccoli that we're going to cut into some beautiful spears, season it up with a little bit of rub-a-dub, use a little bit of oil as a binder. But like I said, the best part is we are going to be able to grill our steaks and then steam our broccoli, really getting everything done at the same time. Okay, because we're gonna be steaming and grilling today, first thing I'm going to do is remove that grill grate, and then I'm gonna add in that reversible steam pan with that perforated top on there as well. Later on, we're gonna go ahead and add water, but for right now, we won't. This is gonna be our exact setup that we need to grill and steam. We've got it plugged in. We'll go ahead and turn this on now, and we are going to go all the way to high. We're gonna let this preheat, get up into that 550 degree range, then we know time to start cooking. While the Lumin is heating up, time to get a little bit of prep done, so we're gonna go ahead and take those ribeye steaks, add a little bit of oil on the first side to act as our binder, and then we'll go ahead, like I said, hit a little bit of rub-a-dub on there. You know, like we always say, season as light or as heavy as you prefer. We'll get that rub-a-dub on the first side. We'll give these guys a chance to soak for a little bit, and then we'll flip it over, do the same thing on the second side as well. Time to get the broccoli prep done now. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean off a little bit of those little extra leaves that are there. Then I'm gonna take a look right here at the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and trim that off. We'll get that set aside. Now what I'm trying to do is cut this into small little spears like so. Here we are preheated right at 550 degrees. We'll go ahead and add these steaks. Now, what we're gonna do is cook them for 3 minutes on this side, then we'll pick them up, rotate them, and put them back down. So we'll let them go for 3 minutes. We won't add any water to this till we get ready to cook our broccoli. We are right after 3 minutes, and look at those beautiful grill marks. So we'll go ahead and rotate that. We'll be careful not to pull that steak apart, but we'll go ahead and get these rotated. Look at those marks. Now we're gonna let them go for another 3 minutes before we come back, get ready to add our broccoli. Time to flip our steak, so we'll go ahead and get those guys flipped like that. Now it is also time to add our broccoli. So we'll go ahead and add those broccoli spears in there, just like so, because now for the last 4 to 6 minutes of cook time, guess what we're doing? We're going to be steaming while we're grilling. So go ahead and pour a little bit of water in there. That creates that steam that you get to hear. Now we'll go ahead and shut it. We'll finish this up. We'll come back in about 4 minutes and check on it. And just like that, we are done. So total cook time took about 4 minutes on the second side for those steaks. And now we also have that broccoli steamed and ready to go. Not too shabby, right? Let's head back in the kitchen. We'll finish up. Dinner is served. Not a bad first cook at all, right? We definitely grilled, steamed, finished our meal at the same time on the same grill. Now, if you're looking for another amazing video, be sure to check out my 5 favorite things about the Weber Lumin. That video coming up next.